the Paseo Tablado de Piñones. I'm so excited to explore this boardwalk because I've never been here before. Gabby says that he used to go biking here with his dad, and we're wondering how it's changed since then. Hey, what'd you find? Oh, nice. Are you ready to explore, Vesper? Piñones is a neighborhood in Loíza, east of Carolina. And this is a great place to come and explore, especially if you love food. This is a place where there are lots of kiosks and famous restaurants serving fried fritters and seafood. It's a super fun area to explore. Also, there's a famous beach here called La Posita that has rocks blocking the waves, and it's a place where people love to bring their kids to swim on the weekends. This path is really cool. It's so beautiful here. And right to the left, you can see this mangrove swamp where you can see all the mangrove roots coming up. It's really, really amazing. So where we started, the path was paved, and now we're starting on the boardwalk. It's definitely a little overgrown, but it's such a beautiful trail with such a great variety of plant life, lots of lizards and birds. It is really beautiful. I'm a little bit scared of this wooden boardwalk, hoping it doesn't break under us or something. I guess we'll see. I saw an article in the news last year saying that they were going to spend $3 million fixing this. I don't see any motion on that. I hope they do fix it. It's an absolutely beautiful place, but it's definitely not looking the most safe right now. There's huge holes. I'm a little scared. Whoa! Condition, we would recommend, if you want to explore this area, to start on the paved trail, especially if you have a little kiddo. She's having so much fun playing with coconuts. Coco? We're here at Carne Restaurant. This is a great seafood restaurant in Piñones, which is pretty close to the airport. I'm gonna start my lunch with a bacalaíto. These are so delicious, crunchy, salty, fishy. I'm so excited to eat it.
Actually, yeah. I want a little piece of
Well,
yeah.
So good. Puerto Rico is so full of vibrant experiences, delicious food, beautiful sights, and lovely people. It will ignite your imagination and leave you dreaming of your next visit to the Island of Enchantment. Please remember to subscribe so you can discover all of Puerto Rico's hidden gems with us.